Good afternoon. My name is Brandon Cotton, and this is my short video presentation on my article topic 2019-2020 ELAR TEKS, the impact on instruction and approach for first year / second year ELAR teachers. Okay. Beginning with the 2019-2020 school year, the new ELAR TEKS has went into effect starting in August. These TEKS were drafted up in 2017, but they did not go into effect until the 2019-2020 school year. Now, I am a first-year English teacher. This is my first year teaching within my content. I currently work at Stafford Middle School in Stafford, Texas, and post me starting, I was brought in along with the new ELAR TEKS system. So all the teachers previously were on a different system. So not only am I new, but I am also part of the new rollout of the new TEKS system. This new implementation can be intriguing, however challenging with all the new information and standards. The experience itself offers a lot of substantial learning for both the students and the teachers, as well as the previous teachers. It's a lot to take in all at once. Since I've been working, it's been a lot of PD training, textbook training, professional development, as far as knowing the standards and the strands, because it's a lot different than it used to be. Not in necessarily a difficult way, but it's just all new information that everybody has to get comforted to. Excuse me. Well, I wrote this article because I felt for first year teachers, especially teachers like me who are new into the profession or may have worked 1 year under the previous TEKS system, this article could help them with a few classroom insights as far as what the ELAR TEKS might look like, how the ELAR TEKS might impact their classroom today, and also furnish them with new insight on how to approach, teach, and stay vertically aligned. Because the one thing you always want to consider when you're teaching is that you have to be vertically aligned with your TEKS and what strands / content you're supposed to be targeting on a day-to-day basis. I chose my topic because I wanted to relate it to my own field. I wanted to write something that I felt would be beneficial to myself. Since I am an English teacher myself, I wanted to have give my experience to other teachers, because I know that I'm not the only one that has to deal with this new TEKS implementation. So I want to write something that could be beneficial to other people in my field. Actually, when I came in, I wish I could have read something like this just to see what it would be like for other ELAR teachers who are dealing with the new TEKS instruction and how to go about successfully integrating it within their educational atmosphere. My approach was to look up research for the ELAR TEKS instruction and approach, and also I wanted to use my own personal experiences within my article to highlight what I've used and what's been successful for me. A lot of Dr. Hilbert's questions that she posed in my article, my first article topic, really helped me gauge as far as what I want to talk about and all that other stuff. The publication I am choosing is English in Texas, New Teacher Voices. I chose this article because I felt that it highlights the experiences of 0 to 2 year experienced ELAR teachers. So just like myself, I want to put my article out there for other ELAR teachers to be exposed to, so they can read and get insight on how the TEKS implementation is working for other teachers, as well as what they could use to help better their own classrooms. My main reasoning for this was just to share my experience, because once again, all the Texas ELAR teachers are using this new system of TEKS, and I felt it would be beneficial to not only me but to others within my spectrum, especially first year ELAR teachers. This is my article presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait for you to read my paper. Thank you and have a great day.